we guide you through how to transfer photos from Android to iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure both devices are connected to Wi-Fi, then download the Move iOS app on your Android phone from the Play Store, open it, and follow the on-screen instructions until you get the code from your iPhone during setup. Enter the code on your Android device, select photos from the data transfer options, and wait for the process to complete without interrupting the connection. If your iPhone is already set up, you can instead use Google Photos by backing up all your images on your Android device, then install Google Photos on your iPhone. Log in with the same account and download your photos directly. Alternatively, you can transfer using computer by copying photos from your Android to your PC, then sending them to your iPhone via iTunes or Finder. Choose the method that works best for you, and you're done.